Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You set up the foundation now. Create a Python 3.10 plus virtual environment and upgrade pip. Once done, install transformers, datasets, tokenizers, accelerate, and torch so dependencies align. Next, pick a small pre-trained model like GPT-2 Small and download a compact dataset sample to iterate fast. Prepare a tokenizer with your chosen model, then quickly tokenize a few hundred examples to validate shapes. Make sure your GPU is visible. If not, switch to CPU testing before scaling up. You now transform data and run training. First, clean, normalize, and chunk your corpus into 512 token windows or use overlapping context to preserve continuity. Then configure training hyperparameters. Set batch size, learning rate schedule, Atom W optimizer, and gradient accumulation to fit memory. Implement FP16 mixed precision to speed up compute and reduce memory. Use checkpoints every n steps and log metrics to watch loss and perplexity. If loss doesn't fall, reduce LR or increase batch accumulation. Iterate quickly. You finish by evaluating and packaging the model. Run validation to compute perplexity and generate sample text to inspect coherence. Tweak sampling temperature or top K/top P if needed. Save both model weights and tokenizer, preferring Saphatensors or Torch. PT formats and include config files. Then deploy a simple fast API endpoint or convert to ONCs for faster inference. If outputs are repetitive or collapse, try increasing context length, lower learning rate, or continue fine-tuning on diverse examples.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.